DEK Grid-Lok provides a highly flexible, fully integrated and software-controlled board support solution for the printing process that can also be used in placement machines. It provides an alternative to product-specific toolings that's as reliable as it is flexible. Whether you run standard or high-density products, the pneumatic pins in the DEK Grid-Lok modules adapt automatically to the respective board's topology for perfect support every time. Setup is super easy and takes only a few seconds. Your benefit? DEK Grid-Lok eliminates error-prone manual operating steps and ensures a stable and reliable printing process. Select from DEK Grid-Lok Gold HD for printers and DEK Grid-Lok Silver for placement machines and pick the number of modules that's right for your particular application. Changing the support setup takes only a few seconds. Future-proof automation, optimized and stable printing processes, investing in DEK Grid-Lok pays for itself very quickly. For optimal printing processes in the high-volume production of particularly complex boards, we offer application-specific support toolings that are custom-designed for your product. And for unusually large, warped or very thin boards, we also offer DEK toolings with vacuum support. A magnetic connector ensures quick and secure installation. To make things as easy as possible for you, we develop these custom toolings based on an existing physical product or CAD/CAM or Gerber data. Whether you use custom DEK toolings for high-volume applications or the flexible DEK Grid-Lok technology for high-mix applications, investing in the quality of your printing process technology quickly pays for itself. Talk with our experts about custom toolings and board support systems.